pouring out poop water.
Say it louder. You're far away.
Pouring out manure tea on freshly planted peas.
They're called WANDO. WANDO peas. Tawando.
A pea called Wando. Okay. That's like 4 rounds with.
Oh, on the other side of the bee balm, there's some too. We're gonna move that bee balm out the garden. Right there. I hope y'all can see. The sun is looking right at me. How do you pause it?
Photo. On top. Just got to pouring some manure tea on some peas my wife planted today. They're called Wando peas. They're supposed to be heat and frost resistant. So, if they're like everything else we've started, they're going to shoot up in just a few days. I don't know. But for right now, they're in the ground, fertilized, watered, and we'll see what we got from here.